Now, your Eyewitness weather forecast.
And welcome back, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed. Unfortunately, we will fall short of the heat wave status, with temperatures tomorrow struggling to get into the middle and upper 80s as opposed to the last couple of days like today, where we had temperatures into the 90s. 93 degrees not only tied the record, but that was our high temperature for today. It set back in that record, I should say, was set back in 1949, and that's well above the average for this time of year of 79. The low temperature also well above average. We should be around 59. This morning we were at 68. No precipitation to speak of, and I don't expect to get close to 68 during the overnight hours, at least the way the temperature is right now. 81 degrees with a few clouds in downtown Utica, but you'll notice that dew point hanging around 71 degrees, and that's where it's been for most of the day. The measure of how much moisture is in the air, and not helping things is the fact that we have a calm wind, so the air is rather stagnant. That's making it feel like 85, and that dew point is also an indication of where our temperatures will drop to at best during the overnight hours. We do have some 70s down toward Hamilton and Sherburne right now, 72 and 73 respectively. It's in the 70s in Otsego County, but it's still in the 80s from Albany toward Catskill over toward Syracuse, 82, Camden 83, downtown Utica 81. But we already have some 60s being reported up into Hamilton County. So that's going to be the cool spot tonight. And again, during the day tomorrow, the radar is dry. We did have a couple of showers sneaking through northern and northeastern Hamilton County, but that's basically it. Switching you to our satellite water vapor satellite imagery, you'll notice that we still have the area of high pressure, a big heat dome essentially located over western North Carolina, eastern Tennessee right now. And when I showed you this map last week, remember it was off the west coast of California, and so it's made a lot of progress, and it's going to continue to be with us through the day tomorrow before it weakens and moves toward the east. And then we've got a cold front heading our way as well. Temperatures during the day tomorrow, again between 85 and 90. We'll see temperatures returning to more seasonable levels for both Thursday and Friday, with the cold front heading our way and those chances for showers and thunderstorms continuing. But not before we have that one more hot day tomorrow, and there could be an isolated chance of a shower or storm, especially during the afternoon. But again, tonight we'll just have a few clouds. Our Wednesday gets off to a warm start. Temperatures in the 70s, jumping up into the 80s once again, maybe getting into the upper 70s up north with just a few clouds here and there, and maybe a spotty shower or thunderstorm, maybe up toward the north and east. The better chance heads our way on Thursday. Temperatures in the 80s for most of us tomorrow, maybe some upper 70s up toward the north, and then we'll have temperatures well into the 70s on Thursday, more seasonable for this time of year, even a little bit cooler than that, maybe up toward the north and east. And then we will also have temperatures in the 70s on Friday with a few scattered storms both days. Some of those storms could linger into Saturday, when there could be as much as half an inch to an inch of rain. And then it looks like we'll wrap up the weekend dry on Sunday with a mix of sun and clouds around 85. And then Monday and Tuesday, closing out the month of July and closing out the month of June, I should say, and starting July, we'll see temperatures in the 80s with increased humidity and some storm chances.
A lot more rain, a lot more storms, but at least we're getting a little bit of a break over the next few days in terms of the heat and humidity.
Thursday and Friday is going to feel cool, even though it's like seasonable for this time of year. It's going to feel cool compared to what it's been the last couple of days.
Well, after some of the news we've been having, I think we can all appreciate at least a little bit better weather.
Absolutely. Well, I'm looking forward to that mix of sun and clouds on Sunday.
Absolutely. Thanks again, Jordan. Coming up next on Eyewitness News at 11, the results are in for this year's Republican and Conservative primaries in Oneida and Herkimer counties. We'll tell you those results after the break.